This protocol reports the computational screening of photocatalysts with type 2 bind alignment by first principles software VASP. Specifically, boron nitride nanoribbons encapsulated inside nanotubes are taken as the example. Step 1. Optimize the atomic structure. Prepare 4 input files for structure relaxation calculation by VASP in CAR, post-CAR, and keypoints. There are specified parameters in the file in CAR that define the calculation. The line in the file in CAR enclosed by blue box indicates that all atoms are relaxed until the force on each atom is less than 0.02 eV per astron. The file post-CAR contains the atomic geometry information. The initial lattice parameters in the file post-CAR can be chosen from theoretical or experimental references, as indicated by orange box. Keypoint defines the keypoint mesh, and post-CAR is the pseudo-potential file generates the initial structure of boron nitride nanoribbon for post-CAR. First, download PostCard for boron nitride bulk unit from the website of Materials project. Then use V2XSF to convert PostCard to a file with XSF format. The XSF file can be read by expression. Type V2XSF postcard on terminal in Ubuntu system and output postcard XSFGZ. Type gunzip postcard.xsf.gz and output postcard XSF. Then use excretion to build supercell of boron nitride. Type excretion-xsf postcard.xsf, select the menu modify number of units drawn, and extend the style in X and Y direction.